Hey, want to know how to grow fast on Instagram? You might want to stay tuned to this video because I'm definitely going to let you know how I was able to gain 1,200 followers in 30 days by using this one Instagram tool. So I know you're probably like, Michelle, what are you talking about? How did you gain 1,200 followers in 30 days? The answer: Instagram Reels. A round of applause for Instagram Reels because Reels are lit. Do you hear me? I was able to gain 1,200 followers, and the evidence is right here. Wherever it's going to be, I'm going to put the evidence here so you can see what I'm talking about. My growth has been crazy. I've been getting not crazy comments, but lots of comments, lots of engagement on my Instagram Reels. And the thing about it is, these Reels popped off like 2 weeks later after I initially posted them. So they didn't even pick up right away. They ended up picking up 2 weeks later and got so much engagement, got so much traffic. But I am here to tell you how you're going to use Instagram Reels to grow. So if you're ready to learn that, let's get into it. First of all, you must post Instagram Reels consistently. There's no other way around it. The only way is to post consistently. Get this, I didn't even post every day. I did not post a reel every day, but you have to be strategic with your reels and you have to post them consistently. So 3 times a week, 5 times a week, whatever that consistent is for you, start there, because there's so many experts telling you 5 to 7 times. Instagram's telling you just do what it is that you can do, because I know that reels are a lot, but you have to be consistent with them. The second thing is that you want to make them engaging. You want your reels to be engaging, so you want to hook your audience in the first 3 seconds, because you only have 15 and 30 seconds. I know some people have 60 seconds, but I don't think I'm dabbling in 60-second reels. I may change my mind, but right now I'm sticking to 15 and 30-second reels. But you want to make sure that you get their attention in the beginning, because that's going to be important, because they have short attention spans. So hook them in straight in the beginning and let them know what your video is about, what you will be educating them on. You also want to make sure that you have a purpose to your reel. What's the purpose of the reel? Make sure that you're not just posting reels to be posting them. Make sure that the reel does have a purpose to it. You also want to make sure that the reel provides value. People are intrigued by value on Instagram. They love value, and if your reel is valuable, it'll most likely be saved and shared with more people. So make sure that you pack it with value. You don't have to overdo it, but make sure the reel does provide value to your audience. You also want to make sure that the reel is entertaining. Entertaining reels is where it's at, and that is how you are going to be able to break through the noise. When your reel is entertaining, it's going to reach your audience. It's going to make them laugh. Are you making them happy? Are you inspiring them? Entertaining. I'm not saying you have to dance. You don't have to be doing this, but you can. If you want to dance, you can dance, but make sure that your reels are entertaining. So that is my recipe for a very successful reel. You're hooking them in, you're adding value, it's entertaining, inspiring. You have to have those ingredients in order for it to be a great reel. And again, make sure that you're posting these reels on a consistent basis. If you're not consistent with reels, you're not going to see the growth that you are expecting. You have to be consistent with it. A tip that I have for you is to plan and batch out your reels so that you're able to see what type of reels are doing well, which ones are not. Many have the Reels analytics. Some of you may not. Sorry if you don't, but if you do, make sure that you use the Reels analytics to the best of your ability to see what reels are working and what reels aren't, so that you can continue to tweak your Instagram strategy. So I'm so excited about reels. Make sure that you follow me over on Instagram at Michelle L. Thames so you can see all the reels that I post, and so that you can keep up with my reels antics, because my reels are entertaining, they're funny, they're inspiring, they're getting the people talking. So I also have a reels course, so make sure that you check that out down below. I'll make sure I link that here. That's teaching you all about how to grow using reels. So I want to thank you so much for tuning in today, and I will talk to you all in the next one. Peace.